Kadence is one of the most popular free themes on the market today, and pairing it with WooCommerce is a no-brainer. One feature it's missing from its free set is a quick view. Quick view allows the customer to quickly view a product and continue on shopping without having to leave the page. I have a plugin I built that makes this a seamless process, also adding in other features like wishlist, comparing, making it very convenient for your shoppers. So let's dive right in. Kadence does offer the quick view as part of their premium offering, as well as there's quite a few free plugins on the repository, but none of them make a seamless, cohesive shopping experience for your customers. You not only add remove to wish list, compare items in your wish list, as well as compare items that you just want to compare. This makes it a seamless process for your customers. Quick views work just like this. They click a button and their product pops up quickly and allows them to view it and see some details about it. Where my plugin takes it even a step further, that they can even click and compare their products all in one shot. This just makes it more convenient, and in today's world, convenience is one of the most important factors in shopping or anyone's life. I could have stopped my plugin there and called it good, but there's just no way I couldn't keep improving it, so I added a wishlist into it. Now, adding the wishlist into the quick view made it so whenever they add items into their wishlist, for one, it's down here so they don't forget about it. And two, they can quickly view the item and compare it to another item within the wish list, just making it a cohesive process and allowing the customers to have full control of their shopping experience, thus increasing sales. Even if they don't want to put the items in their wish list and they just want to have it in comparing, it adds it all into one list to compare their wish list and other items that they would like to compare to it. Again, trying to make it as convenient as possible for your customers. Another important part of this plugin is now that you have people using the quick view, the wish list is the ability to market to those people. You now have items in a wish list that you know that they want and easily convert into a sale. This is easier said than done, but with OtterWP Dynamic Shopping, you can easily set a amount of days that you want to start your campaign and then create or use our default templates to easily market to them. And there's many ways to do this. You can create coupons within the templates, send them a back in stock notification, letting them know things are back in stock, or things just went on sale. But even if you don't want to send them random emails or add coupons, you can just use those ways and it will entice them to sale. And how you create coupons is you go into the actual template. And you see this one already has a coupon applied, a fixed discount, $10. So after the 10 days, another 10 days will pass and this email will get sent. And you can even add free shipping. And as you can see, you can add tags. So if they're a logged in user, you're going to know their name, as well as a whole bunch of other nice features. You can even add some related products in there as well. Adding the wish list to the quick view is a no-brainer. It just makes it so that it's all in one place. And as the customer can add and remove from the wish list, you now have an opportunity to market to them. Even if they're not a logged in user, we have a built-in way to capture an email for them, so they can obviously know that their products are going on sale or back in stock. Just another layer of a way to help you convert into sales. Now, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.